Hey guys, welcome back to Character Red Woodshop. If you're new here, my name is John and I represent the Character Red brand. If you're not new here, thanks for checking out another video. So last week I debuted another workbench that I made for my benchtop tools. The reason why I did that is because this week I wanted to debut me actually using some of those tools in their first use in the shop. And I did this by making a awesome cutting board out of walnut, alder, and purple heart. So I had some leftover walnut from a previous project and I wanted to put it to use because who wants to throw away walnut? Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I can't wait to bring a lot more content to you guys here in the next little bit. So stick around and let's get into making this cutting board. So it's pretty awesome to be able to say that I now have a Rikon joiner in my shop. I reviewed that last week. So right now what you're seeing is me actually just joining up these boards. That way we have a good solid glue up and we're going to move straight into the glue up. This is probably one of the most satisfying parts, is when it all comes together and actually gets glued up, because I really just cut a bunch of random pieces and decided to put them together in something that I thought might look nice once it was finished. So after the wood glue dried, I took this over to the local base wood shop. And over here in Okinawa, we are very fortunate, or at least I am very fortunate, to have two wood shops that I could go and actually use. So they have a host of jet products, and it's honestly, I couldn't ask for anything more, because it's just like having a commercial shop right in my own backyard. After getting back from the wood shop, I put a quick chamfer on this, and then I started to apply the StarBond medium thick black CA glue. So this is the first time that I've really been able to use StarBond products, and I automatically fell in love. I've ordered a bunch of stuff, and I actually have a code so you can get 10% off, and I got that down in the description below. Man, I just would like to tell you guys that I really hate sanding, and especially I hate when my sanders die, and that's what happened. So I had to break out another sander. After hitting this with the power sanders, I'm going to move over and actually touch up the rest by hand at 120 and 220, or maybe 180 and 220, and make sure that the edges are all looking nice. Man, that was really nice and oddly satisfying. Let's see it a couple more times. Now we're getting down to the last little bit of actually making this cutting board, and what I'm going to do here is water pop it. And what this is going to do is all that sanded material that I previously sanded, when you water pop it, it's going to bring that grain up, and you're going to be able to sand it back down a little bit and really get it to shine. And I really like the brands and the water pop, how it looks, so throw it in a slow-mo. So now actually comes the finishing aspect of finishing up the board and actually getting its true shine and bringing out all those amazing colors. So I really love the way that Walrus Oil makes boards look and really makes anything look. I've got a ton of their products, and it's pretty much the only thing that I use for my cutting boards. So yeah. Now that I'm starting to wrap up this build, I would like to take the opportunity to ask you guys, if you like the video, please give it a like, and if I've captured enough of your attention and you want to see future builds, hit that subscribe button, and I would love to take you on my woodworking journey as well. And as always, guys, thanks for checking out Character Red Wood Shop. We'll see you guys on the next video.